welcome back to the vlog. It is the evening. It is currently 5:51 in the evening. So we are going to do a little evening routine, get unready with me, pack down for the night. Hallie is in the bath. So the first thing we need to do while Hallie is in the bath is clean the kitchen. This is what we're working with tonight. It's actually not too bad. We had dinner at my mum's tonight. So I'm going to unpack the dishwasher, clean the kitchen, get that all organized by the time Hallie gets out of the bath. Oh, and feed the dog. So let's go. So everything's done. Now we're going to get unready and I'm going to have a shower, wash my hair. But before I do all that, I want to tell you about the products that I have been using. So I've really been working on my skin recently. I'm really red kind of along my T-zone here, and I said to my esthetician, oh, I can never say it, but I spoke to her and I was like, help me fix it. So we've stripped my products right down. Like I'm not even washing my face. Like that is how simple we have gone with my routine. So all I do is clean my face with a microfiber cloth, wash it with water, and then put some oil on it. And that's it for the nighttime routine. My microfiber cloth, which is probably far too dirty, so don't look at it. I need to wash it. But this is the oil, this is the oil that I've been using and the skincare that I've been using. I literally have two products. This is the oil I use at night. This is the moisturizer I use during the day. And that is literally my skincare routine. And I have seen, or I'm starting to see, a real difference in my skin, which is wonderful. And I've had the first facial I had, which was kind of like our discovery facial to kind of work out what was going on, where we stripped my skincare right back. My second one, she was like, oh, your skin is so much better. So it's a work in progress. I've also stripped down my makeup routine to my Merit products, and that is all I'm using. And I feel like my skin is doing really, really well. After IVF and pregnancy and postpartum, I feel like we're finally starting to make some waves with it, which is great. So those are the current products that I'm using on my face. Body-wise, I have eczema prone or like really dry skin, so I find the Mugu moisturizer works really well. Again, it's nothing fancy. Like I don't see any influencers talking about this stuff, but this stuff is gold. So that is what I use there. Now, deodorant wise, I bought the Wild deodorant. I really struggle with underarm deodorants because my underarms get really itchy. So I have been using the Mugu one, which I am back to using because this one doesn't have any aluminium in it. I bought this one because I was like, oh, I'll give it a try. Then after I tried it for a few days, looked at the ingredients, and this one does have aluminium in it, which is making my underarms itchy, and I'm so upset about it. I did have the other Wild deodorant for a while, so I think I will go back to that one once I finish this one off, but I'm bummed because I spent money on this and I really wanted it to work, but that's okay. I would prefer to not have itchy armpits. Hair-wise, when I am not washing my hair, which I am about to do, I have started using this dry shampoo. Again, you can get it from Kohl's. It's nothing special. I think it's like $14 a bottle. I used to use the Living Proof one from Mecca, but that was $40 a bottle. Look, it worked superbly well. Does this work exactly the same? Almost, but for $14 a bottle, I'm gonna go with this one. Shampoo wise, let me take you to the shower. Woo, welcome to the shower. Shampoo and conditioner wise, I've been using this brand that my hairdresser gave me. This is a NAC Australia brand, an offshoot of that called Row. And I can honestly attest that I think this shampoo saved my hair during pregnancy and postpartum. I hardly got any hair loss, which was absolutely amazing. And I was really worried about it because my hair is fine and thin. So I was like, it's definitely going to fall out. But I've been using this for maybe 2 years now, and it is absolutely fantastic. So that's the shampoo and conditioner. And then I also use this as like a conditioner mask. You can use this every night, which I generally use this when I wash my hair, but it is fantastic. The other two things in my shower is bougie soap, which you can get from the supermarket. We were using this one, which is Gem in the Scent Vanilla Sugar, which was delicious. So that was a body wash that we were using. And then this brand just launched in Coles, and I've been wanting to try it for ages. We don't shop at Woolworths. We don't really have a Woolworths around here. We've got about 50 different Coleses, but not Woolies. Anyway, this brand just launched in Coles, and I really wanted to try it, and it is delicious. So I'm really enjoying this soap as well at the moment, or body wash, whatever. It's wonderful. And I also saw that they had a hand wash, so I want to try that and get that one too. Okay, I am going to have a shower now and wash my hair, so I will see you after my shower. I am showered, I am finished. Hallie is struggling to go to sleep tonight, so Andy and I are trying to get her down, but that is the unready with me. I'm in my pajamas, literally all I did with this, one pump. And just massage it into my skin, and that's it. Honestly, it's been so good just cutting my skincare routine right down. I love it. I love it. I've also got a wet brush, which is great for getting out tangles in your wet hair, or like brushing, oh, look at that, brushing conditioner through. There we are, ready for the night. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of tea. I'm gonna go sit down, I'm gonna edit this vlog, and then I'm gonna crawl into bed and I am going to read my book. That is what I've decided I am going to do tonight. I am reading In Your Dreams by Sarah Adams, or I'm about to start reading In Your Dreams by Sarah Adams. So it's gonna be delightful. I'll give you an update in a few days. Anyway, friends, I'm gonna leave this one here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.